Alright, we got some more pine, yellow pine. We're doing some 2x6'S again. I get a little dusty out again. Got a little breeze. Got a little breeze blowing, putting out some dust. Taking it kind of slow because I got a 7-degree blade on there, and this is yellow knotty pine. Got some knots in this yellow pine, so I don't want no waving going on. Got a little breeze blowing the sawdust back. Now that last camp, we got 5 2x6s and 5 2x4s. I don't think we're going to get 5 2x4s out of this one. We're going to get 5 2x6s, but yeah, I don't think we're going to get any 2x4s at all. I could have took this down to 6" and got some 8" boards, but I got plenty of boards, so. If y'all ain't subscribed, to hit that like button. Now'd be the time to do it if you can. We appreciate it. Let me check this dog. Make sure I'm down far enough. It looks like about an inch. Get the measuring stick out here. Get the measuring stick and make sure I got exactly enough to clear. I sure don't want to hit a dog. Yes. Yeah, we got enough to clear. Looks like we're going to have about an inch and an eighth board on the bottom. last cut right here, we'll go ahead and flip it over and get our 6 inches. Alright, we'll go ahead and flip this over and go ahead and get our 6 inches out of it. I'll take that bottom board off because I want to keep it without cutting it. Oh, get my stool here. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and pull that bottom board out. Except we got a crack in the end. We might flip this whole stack over and get rid of that crack. Well, no, we'll leave the crack at the top. And I'll come off the bottom. Yeah, we got some 1 or 2 pieces of crack on top. Put some sawdust on that one. Alright. Let's see if we got our 6 inch mark. We got our 6 inch. It looks like we're going to have 2x3s. It's going to be 2x3s at the top. So we'll take them. We can use them. Like I said, we appreciate y'all watching the videos, and I know this ain't exciting watching this cut up pine, but we'll get some more stuff up there. We got some walnut, cherry, and some black walnut, and we got some maple. I'm sorry. We'll get them up there pretty soon. We're just trying to get all this stuff here cut to this structure we're building over the sawmill. looks like that stack's done. Like I said, we thank and appreciate y'all watching the videos, and hope y'all hit that subscribe button and the like button. And like I said, pretty soon we'll get some more stuff up here for y'all. All right, thank y'all. Have a great day.